Today, another icon is reborn. The Nokia 8110 4G is a very unique proposition. It's uniquely relevant for two audiences. It is our job to keep these people connected. It features some of the latest service innovation in the industry, such as Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Search. And you can download more applications from the application store. The Nokia 8110 will keep your contacts, calendar, and email synchronized. The Nokia 8110 4G will be available starting May at a global average retail price of 79 euros. Battery life is one of the most important attributes for these people. They cannot accept anything less than 1 day. Even the most valued smartphone is a huge financial commitment for these people. Nokia One, our beautiful, most affordable smartphone. We've always believed that technology has the power to improve people's lives. Nokia One features Android Oreo Go Edition, the latest Android release, and it will stay pure, secure, and up-to-date. Nokia One will also feature express-on covers, giving you the freedom to express your personality. The Nokia One will be available starting early April, $85 in key markets. I'm happy to report that we've delivered on that commitment. The Nokia 8 received Oreo already in October. The Nokia 5 and Nokia 6 have been on Oreo already for a couple of months. Nokia 3 will receive its first taste of the Oreo cookie on Monday. None of this would be possible without our fans. We've created a very strong, unique partnership together with Google. Android One is aligned with our promise of pure, secure, and up-to-date. We also announced the Nokia 6. Little did we know that we actually created an icon. I would call it an instant success. The all-new Nokia 6. We've enhanced everything that you loved about the original. The new Nokia 6 is another stellar example of our craftsmanship in action. Now features Zeiss optics for an enhanced imaging experience. You can now take both these with Nokia 6, telling both sides of the story that your Nokia Android smartphone will now recognize you, allowing you to effortlessly unlock the device by simply looking at it. Nokia 6 features now Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 mobile platform, delivering over 60% faster performance than the original one. And it features wireless charging. The new Nokia 6 will be available in 3 colors. The beautiful blue gold I'm holding in my hand, black copper, and white at an average global retail price of 279 euros. We believe that Nokia phones should stand out. What we wanted to do here is to provide a large screen, beautiful viewing experience in a compact form factor. The new Nokia 7 Plus features a particularly vibrant 6-inch Full HD Plus 18:9 screen, 3 highly sensitive imaging sensors with Zeiss optics, a true flagship imaging experience. The Nokia 7 Plus features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 mobile platform with 4 GB of RAM. It's milled out of a single block of aluminium. Features an outstanding flagship-grade imaging experience with triple Zeiss optic. We combine 4 pixels to 1 super pixel. We're also introducing Pro Camera. Allows you full control of key settings, such as exposure, shutter speed, and ISO. And you can see the change in the viewfinder before you take the picture. At an average retail price of 399 euros. Nokia 7 Plus delivers industry-leading craftsmanship, cutting-edge performance, innovative flagship imaging experience at an exceptional value. Nokia 8 Sirocco, a design masterpiece. We believe that ordinary life deserves an extraordinary phone. Every Nokia 8 Sirocco is milled out of a single block of stainless steel. We've added diamond cuts to further celebrate the unique form. The Nokia 8 Sirocco is IP67 rated for water and dust resistance. The Nokia 8 Sirocco is just 7.5 millimeters thin at its spine. And as you approach the edge, you get to less than 2 millimeters. It features the same highly sensitive main camera as the Nokia 7 Plus, paired with a telephoto lens for lossless zoom. 3 high dynamic range microphones with Nokia spatial audio. With 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, the Nokia 8 Sirocco will retail at €749.